In the last episode, I explored a replica of an 1890s mining town in Butte, Montana, which was super dope. I had a lot of fun there. In this episode, I make my way to yet another national park, one that is probably on a lot of people's bucket lists, Yellowstone. Before I venture into the park, I survive a very scary lightning storm and have to get my oil changed, which was super annoying. Then I finally make my way into the granddaddy of national parks. I kick this episode off by navigating my way to camp. That's so bumpy. I don't know. Am I going the right way? So this is camp. So I'm right outside Yellowstone. However, my time for maintenance light just went on, so I have to get an oil change. I was gonna wait till Denver. I was just gonna drive from here to Denver, basically. But it looks like I can't do that anymore. But I'm in such a remote area now. Well, I'm not yet. I'm going into such a remote area, so I'm like, do I wait? Or do I go back into civilization, back into Bozeman where I was at today, and get my oil changed? Okay, I don't know. I'm just gonna Google how many miles can I go over change oil light. It looks like there's a dyno lube right down the road. So that's cool. It's only 15 minutes away. So I guess I'm gonna be doing that tomorrow instead of going to Yellowstone. I think I just discovered mining remnants like this. Not natural. It's like dimension stone or whatever. I think the quarry's like over there. Should we walk down there? So it's also supposed to thunderstorm in like 2 hours. So I hope it doesn't, but we'll see. Looks like my suspicions were right. I'm in the middle of a quarry right now. Look, this was definitely dimension stone. Look how clean the face is. It's a straight line. See like the grooves? This was a fun little adventure. Man, I literally just threw it through my entire car. BJ's? I'm saving those clothes for tomorrow. You gotta conserve when you live in your car. P.S. I did take a shower today, so they're not dirty. Gotta keep the wrinkles away. It's starting to rain. I'm only slightly scared. I'm scared. if I'm out of it or not yet. I have a new neighbor. Hi, neighbor. Okay, time to check the weather. Okay, looks like the rain is almost done. I survived. My God, it is beautiful. So, the reason I have to put this on right now is because it started like thunderstorming and I still have to set bait in my traps because I have another mouse. And then I have to spray around my wheels. So, let's go. I'm also gonna put more of these out. I have no idea how loud I'm talking, but I got my earplugs in for the night because I am sleeping with a rodent in my car. So I will update you guys in the morning. I have to wake up early to go get my oil changed. I feel like I look really like spooky right now. Okay, good night. So I just got dressed and everything and now I'm about to check the trap. I'm nervous. Nothing. I didn't eat that bait either. Guess who has to drive an hour and 17 minutes to go get her oil changed and then back? Me. Because this place doesn't have an opening till next week. This is the first time in probably weeks that I've actually seen blue sky. And it is gorgeous. $164 later. Why wasn't it like $70? Whatever. I'm gonna go to Walmart.
Starting route to Walmart Supercenter.
Since I just blew my whole entire budget, I think I'm just gonna buy a bunch of ramen. I'm currently trying to decide what to do. It's 11 a.m. It's an hour and a half back to Yellowstone, but it's gonna be super crowded. Should I just go anyways? Also, I hear the mouse in there somewhere. It's here. I feel so defeated with that. Like, I feel like I'm in a ticking time bomb at this point. Screw it, we're going straight into Yellowstone. I'm winging Yellowstone today. I hope you guys will enjoy this. Oh my gosh, look how cute the town is. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I'm going to Yellowstone. Hello.
Welcome, Yellowstone.
Thank you. There's elk over there. Disney like Frontier episodes that I watched was about John Coulter, who discovered Yellowstone. And he was coming this way and he saw smoke and he was like, oh, finally, like, there's people out here, like, you know, whatever. And he finally reached the smoke and it was hot spring steam, not smoke from a fire. Okay. Bathroom break. The visitor center smelled so weird. I held my breath the entire time. Well, looks like I have a lot of driving ahead of me. There was absolutely zero parking, so I'm moving on.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, had to reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I've become. I've been running east, looking for a sunset, digging deep since '99. What I thought was gone was sitting in my pocket in plain sight all along. I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the foam, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come what may. Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye. Let's have a toast for those lost old lives. And my crooked little heart that seems so rebellious is falling apart right now. I'm bleeding an easy kill, gonna leave it all behind. I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know.
Stay tuned for part 2.